Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Eastern Railway's Kanchrapara Railway Workshop was recognized for its outstanding commitment to environmental sustainability with the prestigious GREENCO Gold rating and IGBC Platinum Rating for its administrative building. This recognition highlights the workshop's dedication to reducing its environmental impact while promoting energy efficiency and renewable resources. The GREENCO Gold rating, a distinction initiated by the Confederation of Indian Industry, acknowledges companies that have made significant strides in enhancing their environmental performance and conserving natural and financial resources. Under the guidance of Amar Prakash Dwivedi, General Manager of Eastern Railway, and with the collective efforts of the workshop's team, Kanchrapara Railway Workshop has excelled in its environmental endeavors. The workshop's journey to achieve this rating involved the implementation of several measures, with a strong focus on harnessing solar energy. Utilizing the available rooftop area, the workshop has successfully commissioned 2,300 kWp solar power plants. These installations have generated an impressive 454 kilowatt-hours of solar energy between January and June 2023, contributing to meeting approximately 39% of the workshop's daytime energy requirements through renewable sources. Additionally, the workshop is actively working towards the commissioning of a 1550 kWp capacity rooftop solar plant, further bolstering its commitment to clean energy generation. These initiatives have played a pivotal role in earning the GREENCO Gold rating for the Kanchrapara workshop, reflecting its dedication to reducing carbon emissions in alignment with the national goal of achieving net zero by 2030. Moreover, the workshop has made commendable efforts to maintain an environmentally friendly landscape. Its green belt, featuring lush vegetation and deep gorges, contributes to raising the water table in the workshop and the surrounding area. Furthermore, the workshop adheres to stringent waste disposal norms to ensure that no waste is sent to landfills, as emphasized by ER's Chief Public Relations Officer, Kaushik Mitra. The recognition of Kanchrapara Railway Workshop with the GREENCO Gold rating and IGBC Platinum rating for its administrative building underscores its exemplary efforts in adopting green practices, emphasizing the importance of environmental stewardship for industries seeking growth competitively. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.